Have you ever wondered why the entire world still trusts one country's money more than its own? Not because America forces everyone to, not because the US dollar is perfect, but because the alternative might be even riskier. Every single day, trillions of dollars move around the world. Oil is traded in dollars. Airplanes are bought in dollars, governments borrow in dollars, and even countries that disagree with the United States keep massive reserves of US dollars. It's one of the strangest systems ever created, and once you understand how it works, you'll never look at money the same way again. Imagine the entire world as one giant marketplace where millions of people buy and sell every day. Would it be easier if everyone used hundreds of different currencies, or if most people accepted one currency that almost everyone trusted? That's exactly what happened after World War II. The United States emerged with the world's strongest economy, huge gold reserves, and industries that were still standing while much of the rest of the world was rebuilding. In 1944, countries came together to create a new financial system centered around the US dollar. At first, every dollar could be exchanged for gold, giving the world confidence that the currency had real value behind it. Then, something unexpected happened. In 1971, the United States stopped allowing dollars to be exchanged for gold. Logically, you might expect the world to abandon the dollar. Instead, the opposite happened. The dollar became even more important because by then, trust had quietly replaced gold. Governments, banks, businesses, and investors had already built the global financial system around the dollar. Switching to another currency would have been incredibly expensive, disruptive, and risky. It's similar to using the same messaging app as everyone else. Even if another app has better features, people stay because all their contacts are already there. Economists call this a network effect. The more people use something, the more valuable it becomes. Today, that network effect is stronger than ever. Central banks keep large portions of their foreign currency reserves in US dollars. International companies price products in dollars. Major commodities like oil are commonly traded in dollars. This creates a powerful cycle. Because everyone uses dollars, everyone needs dollars. And because everyone needs dollars, even more people continue using them. But here's where the story